guys, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're really fine. May Allah bless you. Always keep smile alive happily. In this beautiful video, I can share you very amazing and very latest or beautiful pretty styles ideas. I hope you will like. Chalk was amazing decorations, pots ideas, and these pots collections are very different or pretty. I hope you like as these latest beautiful styles. Keep watching our channel. And friends, so these latest styles ideas are very different or most amazing. I hope you will like it as these beautiful styles. So keep watching our channel at starting to end. As I hope you like. And different collections. I hope you like it. At these most beautiful styles or different ideas. Keep watching our channel. And different unique ideas of bestly. And friends, in these latest stylish collections, I hope you will like. In these beautiful vase patterns, tables, decorations ideas.